open this egg first. And today, we're going to open eggs with Play-Doh. So let's open this egg. Crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got Ryan. Oh yeah. It's a hippo. Alright, now let's open this egg now. This is totally dried out for a couple of minutes. It's really slippery with all that Play-Doh. There we go. We got rhinoceros. Put it next to our hippo. Now let's open this little egg. We got a little squishy gummy thing. I do not know what it's called. Do you know?
It's like for you to slap the wall with.
Yeah.
It's like sticky. It's like a sticky hand you can slap with.
It's like a sticky thing to slam with on this, your window, your wall, even your lantern when you want it to be a great decoration. So I'll put it on there so I run out and a hippo. Also in this day. Got a little finger puppet. Ah! That's a fine duck. Now so in this other egg red. Let's take all of that. Take off this tape. Do you know what's inside?
No, what?
A yo-yo, blue yo-yo. Now it's all red. Blue, red, you make purple, but it doesn't make purple. Ah! And he folded.
I can't wait to see what's in that last egg.
Me too.
Let's see.
All right. Are you ready? Steady, go.
Now the duck has a friend.
Yeah, a bunny hop. Highest. The highest bunny hopper. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. Bye.